Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the defrost thermostat in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, wire cutters, wire strippers, zip ties, and wire nuts. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Remove the lower freezer basket, as well as the 3 freezer shelves. Remove the ice bucket as well. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the light cover. With the screw unthreaded, squeeze the sides in to fully release the cover. Now use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 4 screws securing the evaporator access panel. With the screws unthreaded, pull the panel out from the bottom and down to remove. Use the wire cutters to cut the zip tie securing the defrost thermostat wires. Detach the old thermostat from the evaporator coil and cut the thermostat wires close to the old component. To prepare the new defrost thermostat for installation, strip approximately a 1/2 inch of insulation off the ends of the new thermostat wiring using the wire strippers if necessary. Do the same for the existing wires. Now join the pink wires together and secure them with a wire nut. Do the same to join the orange wires together. Snap the new thermostat onto the evaporator coil. Use a new zip tie to secure the thermostat wiring. Realign the evaporator access panel by sliding it up into place. Thread the 4 screws to secure. Replace the LED light cover by aligning the lower cover tabs first, then snap the side tabs into place. Rethread the screw to fully secure. Replace the shelving and basket. Reinstall the ice bucket. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.